Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, and I will be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle. So that will relate to your situation, guys. That will be that may give you answers regarding your situation. So maybe some confusions or doubts you have in your mind, you can watch that, guys. So this is the card, the oracle guidance for you all. So let's start with the general energy, then we will move on to your relationship cards and your career situation cards. So, Aquarius, we have King of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and Two of Cups in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Aquarius, you are making lot of efforts. You are doing everything you can, but you have some distractions or you have some obstacles in your situation coming in your way. Maybe when you are um, doing some work, or when you maybe in your life some kind of obstacles are there, maybe some delays, maybe in some projects, or maybe some work related delays you may be seeing, guys. And for some of you it may be because of the way things are going. Maybe you are quite, what to say, careless today. Maybe you have a careless attitude. That may be the reason for things not happening as you expected. Or for some of you, I also see that maybe you may have some addictions or some habits that is really coming in the way of your work, affecting the potential of your work or the way you handle your situation in your relationship. So some kind of difficulties because of that, guys. And also for some of you, you may be too proud, maybe, or you are what to say, behaving in a very rude manner to the people around you, or this may be someone's energy or this person's energy, guys, this person you are in relationship with. So they may feel that you are trying to use your power, your position to make them listen to you, or trying to control them, or maybe trying to be more dominating. So they may feel irritated with you, guys. And I also see that few collaborations are also coming in your way today. Maybe in your work, people may come, other businesses or people, they may come willingly to offer help, or they want to work with you. Or it may also mean that in your connection or in your relationship, you are stepping to the next phase. Maybe you are moving towards a greater commitment, marriage or engagement, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what are these cards for your relationship. We have Magician, Queen of Swords, and Eight of Cups in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, maybe this may be your energy or this may be this person's energy. So you have you feel really inspired when you are with this person. You feel really confident because this person is someone who is really honest towards you, towards this connection. They have dedication and they are very experienced and they know the right way to handle any situation. So they are giving you valuable support and guidance, and they are there for you. or you feel that they are someone you can rely on. So you feel that trust with this person. Guys, Aquarius, whatever your situation is, this person is right there with you, helping you, guiding you, or they are giving you company, speaking loving words, consoling you. So no matter what your situation is, this person is there in your life helping you out, and you feel really inspired and confident when you are with this person, guys. So it is increasing your skill, talents, and creativity. That may be the reason you love them, you like them a lot, guys. And also I see that you are celebrating, maybe you are going to a party with this person, or they want to go to a party with you, celebrate this love. So some kind of a positive energy we have here for your relationship, guys. So things are going in a very positive way in your relationship, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. We have the World in reverse, Empress in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So we have reverse cards, guys. So with these cards in your situation, maybe in your work you would have faced some difficult situations. Today you know the truth behind those difficulties, what is the reason why certain things are going in such a way. And you may identify the people, maybe the wrong choices you made with people in your work. Maybe you trusted someone with some work, but they don't have that capacity or talent or ability. So some kind of delays or suspensions because of that. And you realize each and everyone's role today, guys. And maybe you feel that is the reason you feel stuck. No, you do not see any developments in your career situation. But since you know the truth today, your situation is going to resolve, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is your oracle guidance, the card for you all. It is not for you. So with this card, the energy, guys, maybe certain things when we are deciding certain things, we may like certain things, but what happens is something different. Our circumstances will turn in such a way that we feel rejected, or certain things do not manifest however hard we try. So we need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So something better will come in our way, in our situation, in our life, guys. So we need to wait for that. So we should not feel sad or stressed because whatever we planned or expected has not happened today. We need to be truly happy for how things are unfolding in our life, and we have to have trust in our situation, guys. So that is the reading, guys, for you all, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.